Okay, first off, be mindful that you are not a robot. You are a human being, not a human doing, a human being. And you're not meant to work all the time. So, a better question to ask is how can you incorporate more breaks and time? So, working 8 hours a day can be really long. I just want to make sure you're not working all full 8 hours. Are you taking breaks? Are you having lunch? Not lunch with your computer, but actually lunch by yourself if you need a break from human beings, or maybe having lunch with colleagues, or if you work from home, having lunch with your partner or your roommates. So are you providing yourself breaks? And then third, if you're not motivated with a task, remind yourself why it is important to do that task. So maybe you have to input numbers into your database. You're like, oh, why do I need to input numbers? Oh, well, I need to input numbers because I have my annual review with my supervisor and I need to showcase how I'm improving those numbers. So that's why it's important. And another thing is maybe there's a certain time of the day where your energy level dips. So the task you're not most excited about doing, maybe you don't do that at 3 p.m. towards the end of the day. Maybe you do that at 9 a.m. So be mindful of your energy and also understand that the way you work is going to be different from other people.